How to set up back office in Alto's POS and inventory system. From the home page, open the drop-down menu and select back office. Inside the back office, go to Settings, then tap Features. Turn on the options you want to use like Open Tickets, Time Clock, Shifts, Custom Display, Kitchen Printers, Dining Options, and Stock Alerts. When you're done, tap Save to apply the settings. Next, let's add your business location. Go to Location and Devices and tap Add Business Location. Enter the location name, address, phone number, and a short description. Tap Save when finished. You can repeat these steps to add more locations if needed. Now, it's time to add POS devices. Go to Locations and Devices, then POS devices, and register your devices there. After setting everything up, return to the main menu. Tap three dots at the top and select Point of Sale to open Alto's POS and inventory system. That's it. You are now ready to start making sales and completing transactions with confidence.